How's everyone doing today? Good? Alright. So, my name is Jared. I'm a 13-year-old Eagle at Acton Academy, Kuala Lumpur. Today I want to talk to you about my story and how I found my passion in game development. Before Acton, I attended a British school where I learned about collaboration despite the high costs. I soon discovered Acton at the age of 5, a school that empowered me to learn and make decisions independently. This is where my life changed forever. During my early years in Acton, like many 7-year-old boys, I developed a love for video games, and one game in particular, Minecraft. I was fascinated by the creativity and open world that you could discover. I was also surrounded by the community that I could relate to. As I grew older, my interest in video games expanded, leading me to explore block coding, a simple yet creative way of coding. 2 years later, I learned the basics of block coding, and I started working on new games on the platform Scratch. Such games were 2D platformers, 2D clickers games. Although they were simple, I learned a lot about creativity and problem solving. And as my knowledge grew in programming, so did my ambition for learning new programming languages and skills, such as C++, C#, and Python. Taking this opportunity, I landed an apprenticeship at Why Not Studios, a boutique game development company, in my opinion, underrated. I learned so much about programming, design, and different parts of game development. During my time at Why Not Studios, I created a simple top-down shooter with Unity, a free popular game engine home to the creation of many famous games, using the programming language C#. It was a huge opportunity and I was glad I took it. These experiences have shaped my current path in game development to be a game programmer, where I am now exploring game development and programming. Now, imagine a world where video games teach valuable life lessons and playing games provide value instead of problems. That's the goal that I want to achieve. Now you're probably thinking, how can I achieve this goal? I would like to share with you my next steps I will take to reach this goal. My first step after Acton would be to join 42KL, a free programming school that welcomes individuals with prior experience and no experience at all. But why 42KL? 42KL is a project-based school where you decide the path and you create individual projects where you can learn new skills and different skills. Not only are useful in game development, but for web and app development. With that knowledge gained from 42KL, I plan to work or take an internship at a boutique game development company like Why Not Studios to gain more experience and skills to eventually be accepted into Nintendo. Why Nintendo? Nintendo shares a key value that I support. That value is diversity. Being a global company, Nintendo gives opportunities for everyone to share ideas, making them the most unique game development company and a place that I would like to work at. But I need your support. I asked the Acton Network for funding for Microsoft Surface laptop at $2,000 USD. That would allow me to access to up to 25 game engines that are able to run extremely high quality games with a smooth speed and designing 3D characters with ease. Here is my promise. I promise to spend my next 3 years focusing on design, programming, and marketing as I prepare to apply for 42KL at the age of 16. As we draw to a close, I want to give a special thanks to those I've invited today for making time in your busy schedule to listen to me today. I also thank everyone else. Thank you for listening and being part of this journey with me. I hope to share my experiences and progress with you next year. Thank you.